Hey everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 2nd June 2022 and we're going to look at the top trends, price action and top news of cryptocurrency market. And also to learn more about the top gainers of the day, stick around till the end of this video. Now let's go ahead with the market cap. So the global crypto market cap was low by 5% and traded at $1.2 trillion over the last day. And as the market is falling down, every top crypto token saw a considerable decline. Bitcoin, which saw a bounce in the last week of May, is now again trading at close to $30,000 with over 5% decline in last 24 hours. Ethereum also followed the same path with decline of $6 and traded at $1,800, and on the weekly chart it was down by more than 1%. USD coin, on the other hand, saw a minor increase from yesterday and traded at $1, while BNB or Binance was down by 5% and traded at $300. On the weekly chart, it was down by 3%. Now, due to the bullish trend, Cardano, which saw a rapid surge last week, was also down by more than 6% in the last 24 hours and traded at $0.5. Now let's look at some more crypto tokens. XRP by Ripple traded at $0.3 with a fall by over 4% in last 24 hours. Binance USD, which were among some exceptions which showed minor but positive trend, was up by 0.7% and traded at $1. Now, due to outage in the network of Solana yesterday, it continued to the same pattern downward trend with 11.5% in the last 24 hours and traded at close to $40. And on the weekly chart, it was down by close to 10%. Doge price declined by over 8% and traded at $0.08. Meanwhile, it was up by over 3% in the weekly charts. Polkadot, which traded at $9, saw a fall of 8% in last 24 hours. In the weekly chart, it grew by 1%. Wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC descended in last 24 hours and traded at $29,900. Avalanche declined on the charts and traded at $23, and Tron also saw a decline of over 7% in last 24 hours and it traded at $0.08. Now let's look at the top news of the day, and again it's a great news for the crypto community of India. So one of the largest crypto exchanges in India, CoinSwitch, has launched the first Rupee dominated crypto index, which is known as CRE8, which will provide greater transparency of Indian crypto market and create a simple and convenient indicator of its states so that the investor can make more well-rounded decisions. Now, as we already know that NFT community have speculated that the popular American rapper Kanye West would get involved in NFT sooner or later, but the recent filing of trademarks could be his possible entry to NFTs. Recently, West has filed 17 new trademark applications for his Yeezus brand, including one that specifically covers non-fungible tokens, with other 16 applications that covers a wide range of uses, which includes amusement parks, physical and online retail stores, and sporting event. Finally, let's look at the last news of the day. So, after the widely publicized collapse of Terra Luna ecosystem, which caused significant losses to investors, but now an accusation of fraud against his founder Duwon has been filed, and this time it is for alleged money laundering. According to the reports, the company has laundered $4.8 million through Korean shell company in collaboration with the scheme involving a blockchain consulting firm K. According to recent reports, allegations against Kernel Lab, which is the sister company to Terra Labs, received $4.8 million from Terra Labs. Now let's get straight into top gainers of the day, and let's start from Waves, which saw a jump of $8 from yesterday and traded at $9.5 and leaded top gainers by over 90% surge in weekly charts. PAX traded at $1,800 with an incline of 1% in last 24 hours, while Tether was up by 0.03% in weekly charts and traded at $1. Next, we have USD, which also traded at $1 and was up by 0.01%. On the other hand, True USD was down by 0.2% in last 24 hours and it also traded at $1. DAI and tax dollar were down by 0.02% and 0.05% in last 24 hours respectively, and both of them traded at $1. That is all for today. If you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to give thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button if you like our video. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.